Found a Hong Kong hotel with free shuttle to the airport, Disneyland, and even Macau. This is Regala Sky City Hotel, my second hotel for this trip. At first glance, it looks expensive, but price-wise, it's almost the same as city hotels and honestly, must sulit. Super convenient near the airport, City 8 outlets, Hong Kong Disneyland, and Ngongping Village. And yes, they have free shuttle service. Ang daming amenities, may swimming pool, outdoor gym, rooftop sky deck na perfect for plane watching. May restaurant and bar. May vending machine that you can use your octopus card. Plus, no deposit required, 24-hour front desk, free Wi-Fi, and may luggage storage. I booked the double bed garden view room and it has everything you need. Complete setup, separate shower area plus toiletries, hair dryer, slippers, towels, closets plus safety deposit box, work desk plus vanity. Mayroon din mini fridge. So many mirrors, perfect for OOTDs. And I love this, my water dispenser. So no need to buy bottled water. They also clean the room daily. Honestly, sobrang convenient and comfortable. It made my stay in Hong Kong so much easier. If you want comfort plus convenience without overspending, this is a solid choice. Bye!